Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel KTM Booster. Today we will be having the part 7 of time and work, in which or and type of questions depends. Okay. Now this type of questions can be asked in GATE examination, in MPSC, in UPSC, in SSC, in Railway, IBPS, in all the examinations. These type of questions are being asked. Okay. So we will see first question and we will understand the concept behind it. So 5 men or 8 women complete a work in 10 days. Okay. So we'll write 5 men or 8 women can complete the work in how many days? 10 days. Okay. Now, so we will calculate 1 man can complete the work in 10 into 5, that is 50 days, and 1 woman can complete the work in 8 into 10, that is 80 days. Okay. Now 1 man in 50 days, 1 woman in 80 days, isn't it? Now we will be having 1 man completes the work in 50 days. So 1 man, 1 day work we will calculate. 1 man, 1 day work will be 1 by 50, and 1 woman 1 day work, it will be what? 1 by 80. If total is completed in 80 days, then 1 day work will be 1 by 80, isn't it? Now we have asked with 10 men and 12 women can complete the work in how many days, isn't it? So 10 men, 10 into 1 man can complete the work in 1 by 50 days, and 1 woman can complete the work in, yes, in how many days? In 1 by 80 days. Okay. So we will cancel the terms. 0 will be cancelled, isn't it? So 1 by 5 here, plus here 1 by 12, and we are having next that is here 12 we have to write over here. So 4 2s are 4 0s are 4 3s are, so 3 upon 20, isn't it? So LCM will be what? 20. 5 4 plus 3 equal to what? 7 by 20. Means it is clear that the 1 day work will complete in 7 by 20 days. Okay. Means 10 man and 12 women, 1 day work is 7 by 20. Then 10 man and 12 women can complete the work in, that is 20 by 7 days. Okay. This is our answer. Now we will see second question, that is 2 men or 3 women or 4 boys completes the work in 20 days. Calculate the number of days required for 1 man and 1 woman and 1 boy, isn't it? First of all, we will write 2 men or 3 women or 4 boys can complete the work in how many days? In 20 days. They will complete the work. Now we will calculate 1 man will complete the work in how many days? If 2 men complete the work in 20 days, then 1 man will complete the work in 40 days. Okay. If 3 women complete the work in 20 days, then 1 woman can complete the work in 3 into 20, that is 60 days. Similarly, 1 boy will complete the work in 4 into 20, that is 80 days. Okay. Now, if 1 man completes the work in 40 days, then 1 man, 1 day work will be 1 by 40. Similarly, 1 woman, 1 day work is 1 by 60, and 1 boy, 1 day work will be 1 by 80. This is what? 1 day work. And this will be what? The number of days required to complete the work for one man, one woman and one boy. Isn't it? What is the question? Calculate the number of days required for one man plus one woman plus one boy. Isn't it? So we will write here that 1 into 1 man required how many? That is 1 by 40. We can directly write that is 1 man is given, that is 1 by 40. 1 man, 1 woman, 1 day work is 1 by 60. So 1 boy, 1 day work is 1 by 80. This is what? 1 day work. Okay, this is 1 day work from 1 man, 1 woman and 1 boy. Take the LCM. What will be the LCM? That is 240. Okay. Now 4 6 24, 6 4 24, 8 3 24. Isn't it? Now we will write 6 4 10 plus 3 13 divided by 240. Means 13 upon 240. This will be the 1 day work. So 1 man plus 1 woman and 1 boy will complete the work in 240 upon 13 days. This will be our answer. Now question number 3. 10 men and 15 boys completes the work in 8 days. First of all we will write that is 10 men and 15 boys completes the work in 8 days. Okay. Here 10 men and 15 boys completes the work in 8 days, right? And 8 men and 14 boys completes the work in what? 9 days. Isn't it? Now, how many work for both condition we have to calculate, but we can consider here the work done is same. So first of all we will calculate the number of men and the number of boys required to complete the total work. So number of men and number of boys required for total work done in 1 day. If 10 men and 15 boys completes the work in 8 days, then 80 men plus 15 8s are 120 boys completes the work in 1 day. Total work. Okay. Now for this, that is 8 into 9, that is 72. 72 men plus 49s are 126 boys completes the work in 1 day. Now the work is same, so we can equate this equation. So 80 men plus 120 boys equal to 72 men plus 126 boys. Isn't it? 80 minus 72, that is 8 men, is equal to 126 minus 120, that will be 6 boys. Isn't it? Means what? We can 2 3s are 2 4s are 4 men is equal to 3 boys. Means we can say that 1 boy is equal to 4 by 3 men. Isn't it? We have calculated here, that is 1 boy is equal to 4 by 3 men. We have condition that 10 men plus 15 boys. So we will take 10 men plus 15 boys. Right? We have the condition for 1 boy is equal to 4 by 3 men. We will put this in this equation. So 10 men plus 15 boys. 15 into what? 4 by 3. Isn't it? So we will be having 10 men plus 3 5s up, and this will be the 20 men. 5 4s are 20. Okay, so 20 plus 20, that is 30 men. Isn't it? So 10 men plus 15 boys equal to what? That is 30 men. That is 30 men completes the work in for 10 men and 15 boys. How many days will be required? That is 8 days. So that is 30 men completes the work in 8 days. So what is our question? That we have to calculate 1 man and 3 boys. So we'll calculate first. 1 man will complete the work in 8 threes, that is 240 days. Okay. Now we'll have 1 man and 3 boys. This is what our question. Okay, 1 man plus 3 boys is equal to, that is 1 man plus 1 boy is equal to 4 by 3. So 3 into 4 by 3, 3 will get cancelled. Okay, so 1 man plus 4 men, that will be what? How many? That will be 5 men, isn't it? Now we will be having, that is 5 men will be, that is 240 divided by 5, isn't it? That is we are having 1 man plus 3 boys, that is total is 5 men. We are taking this term in men. 1 man can complete the work, 1 man will be having 240 days, isn't it? So 5 men will be having 240 divided by 5, that will be 5 2s, 5 4s and 5 8s. This will be 48 days. This will be our answer. For more such videos, like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.